Hey everybody, so we're here at Sundance, getting ready to go up on a ski lift, and this place is super cool. Check out behind me, there's a stream back here. It's a really cool lodge back here, and then when you step through over here, wait until you see this view, we'll go through, and then there's the mountains up there. Pretty crazy. Look at how high that is. And then this is the doTERRA crew. We're all going up to the top, do a hike, see a waterfall and stuff. Pretty awesome. There's the waterfall. Well, now we're headed down more.
My feet are icy cold.
Feet are icy cold. Check out this giant river. You see that?
What I like.
So, walking along this trail here, and there's all kinds of different plants growing. It's pretty cool. There's these really little white flowers right there. Hey Lacey, what plants have you seen so far?
Mint, yarrow, stinging nettles,
Apple tree.
apple, maple, birch.
Some elderberry.
Did you see elderberry?
Right there.
Oh yeah.
Elderberry.
Sure enough.
Oh, rhubarb. There was rhubarb along the trail
Rhubarb,
too.
I saw rhubarb.
Some kind of wheatgrass right there. Those almost look like wild blueberries. Yeah, so pretty fun. All along the trail.
Plant guy, I don't know.
I know. We don't need a plant guy. We got Lacey.
Shut up.
What'd you find, Lacey?
I don't know. Me?
So we
So
think
pretty.
this is a digitalis.
No,
maybe?
I don't think that.
Lacey's saying no.
It might be polyhawk or something.
Huh?
Look at how it opens. It's not digitalis. Digitalis has like a cup, like a tongue, mouth thing. I don't know.
So here's more of them growing along the river.
Let's just think about it.
So almost back down to Sundance now. There's a crazy trail all the way down. Got this rushing water right alongside of us. It's pretty cool. There's Lacey going up there. This trail is super rocky, but the cool thing was take a ski lift to the top and then you just walk downhill. So not too bad. And then this super fun bridge. Woo! Kind of makes you dizzy.